Hi guys, my name is Jeremy. I'm with Ostmann's Heating and Air. We specialize in home comfort systems for your home, furnaces, coils, air conditioners, air scrubbers, humidifiers, and our newly added service, we do duct cleaning. I've been in the industry 26 years, 6 years in my own business. I started out in a lot of supply houses, just off and on installs and supply houses. And when we moved back to the Heber Valley, it kind of just chose me. I wanted to bring good hometown service back to the Heber Valley. Being able to bring comfort into your home, you call, you have an issue, it's cold, it's hot, and it's nice to come in and be able to correct that and then have the customers be thankful that we were there. One of the things I really like about doing work in Heber Valley is I grew up here. So I love the mountains, I love the outdoors, and we just love the people. They're all around good, nice people to work for.